Today we're making one of the most famous South Indian foods, crispy and delicious dosa. Let's start with the ingredients: rice, lentil slab, fenugreek seeds, and a few simple spices. First ingredient, rice. And sometimes my ghost powers get a little out of control. Add the rice and lentils we soaked for 6 hours into the blender. Add a few fenugreek seeds and a little water, then blend until you get a smooth, soft batter. Pour the batter into a bowl and let it rest for 8 to 12 hours to ferment. After that, add some salt and mix it well. Pour the batter into a hot pan, spread it thin, and cook until it's golden and crispy. Gently fold the dosa and place it on a plate. It's ready, but we have different options. You can also make masala dosa by cooking these ingredients and adding them inside the dosa. Heat some oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and let them pop. Then salt onions and green chili. Add turmeric and salt, mix in the mashed potatoes, and finish with some fresh cilantro. Add the masala filling, fold the dosa, and it's ready to serve. Set a beautiful table. Serve both plain and masala dosa and enjoy them with coconut chutney and sambar. Some flavors don't whisper, they shout. Watch my previous videos and subscribe for the next adventure. And leave a comment if you really want to get rewarded. See you next Saturday with a French food.